Semiconductors power almost everything in our modern world. They're in our phones, our homes, our cars, and they help us to connect to the internet. Traditional chips can't scale with everyday items. That's because, although they're incredibly powerful, they're expensive and they're rigid. We've developed flexible integrated circuits that allow you to bridge the physical and digital worlds to have physical AI at the item level, sustainably, and at the right cost point. What's different at Pragmatic is we've developed the chip and the manufacturing model together. Our chips are ultra thin, they're flexible and low cost. And we can manufacture these at huge scale, sustainably, and in a matter of days. And these chips can go where traditional semiconductor chips can't. Behind me is one of our modular manufacturing production lines. This has an incredibly small footprint, and it's a real template for building semiconductor manufacturing with sustainability at its heart. We use much less water, fewer chemicals, and less energy. This means that we have a very low carbon footprint, and this is a real game changer for the semiconductor industry.
Our mission is to bridge the physical and digital worlds. With our ultra-thin, flexible semiconductors, we're enabling item-level intelligence in products and packaging where it previously wasn't feasible or possible. And this spans consumer, industrial, healthcare, and beyond. We see early adoption across fast-moving consumer goods, spanning food and beverage, apparel, cosmetics, through to consumer electronics, such as smart rings, hearables, and wearables, but provides protection and authentication of products, tackling counterfeit and supporting digital product passports, contributing to the circular economy and supporting more sustainable practices with that item-level identification. We operate as both an integrated device manufacturer with our own product portfolio, NFC Connect, as well as a foundry. Our technology platform enables flexible form factor, supporting the miniaturization of designs without impacting functionality. Ultimately, it's about adding a layer of intelligence into everyday items. Nearly 40% of all plastics produced go into packaging, yet less than 15% of those are recycled. Adding that item-level intelligence and identification can support more sustainable practices, contributing to the circular economy with reuse and recycle programs.
Catalyst invests in businesses solving real-world problems, where long-term capital helps scale proven technology into something tangible. We've invested over $1 billion in over 30 companies globally. Pragmatic stood out because the technology is strong and how widely it can be applied in items in the world around us.
What you're seeing here today didn't happen overnight. Breakthrough technologies like this take time to move from research to manufacturing to real-world impact. And that journey needs long-term investment. Through Catalyst, funded by our almost £70 billion Proof Fund, as part of our £134 billion with Profit Fund, M&G is able to provide patient capital, backing companies like Pragmatic to scale and keep developing.
I had the opportunity to study my undergraduate and PhD in Newcastle. Now, the North East has a really rich heritage in manufacturing and engineering, so having something up and coming, the semiconductor industry in the North East, is a fantastic opportunity for the North East to grow. One of my favourite parts about working in R&D is seeing that innovation and how that translates from proof of concept all the way to something tangible you can hold in your hands. There's really an opportunity for growth both for people and the business, especially with its roots in the North East.
What really brings Proof Fund to life for clients is being able to show them opportunities that are typically less accessible to individual investors. The fund can invest in private, innovative businesses such as Pragmatic, providing differentiated exposure within a well-diversified solution. Investments like Pragmatic make the story much more tangible. Pragmatic, who are based right here in the north of England, showcase how Proof Fund, through M&G's Catalyst investment strategy, can help innovative companies that are based locally support highly skilled jobs and compete on the international stage.
It truly is an exciting time in Pragmatic Semiconductor's journey. We're scaling high-volume manufacturing here at Pragmatic Park in Durham of our flexible semiconductor technology. And that scale-up has really been made possible by our Series D raise, the largest ever venture capital raise for semiconductors in Europe. It was co-led by M&G and the National Wealth Fund. And with those funds, we are scaling production of a unique and differentiated technology. When I joined the company 3 years ago, I was really intrigued and so excited about the opportunity to bring something different to what is a massive and expanding opportunity for semiconductors. It's really clear to me that an alternative approach to semiconductors is something that can bring immense value to a wide range of expanding applications. It's truly exciting to be shipping to our customers in initial commercial volumes, millions of units and the tens of millions of units, with capacity for billions of units, shipping into market leaders such as Avery Dennison and Tagios. I could not be more excited about all the work the team has done.
This is what long-term investment looks like in practice, supporting innovation as it scales into something real. It's pension savings being put to work in the real economy, backing businesses like this as they grow.